Hello guys, you are watching EduPublic, an educational channel. Hope you will be fine. Let's start chapter number 1, that is Introduction to Biology. Dear students, the biology has been derived from the Greek words. Biology word is made by two words, bios and logos. Bios mean life and logos meaning thought or reasoning. That means biology is the study of life. The thinking about life is known as biology. Whenever you are studying any living organism or living thing like plants, like animals, like any animal, it means, or microorganism, it means you are studying biology. So biology is very vast. So scientists divided the biology into three main groups. So these main groups, or these three divisions, are known as divisions of biology. The number one division of biology is zoology. The zoology is that division of biology which deals with the study of animals. That means when you are studying animals, it means the study of animal is known as zoology. Now, number two is botany. This division of biology deals with the study of plants. It means when we are studying the living things, the group of living things that is known as plants, when you are studying plants, it means you are studying botany. Number three is microbiology. This division of biology deals with the study of microorganisms such as bacteria, viruses, etc. So the divisions, these three divisions are further subdivided into the other groups. These subgroups are known as branches. It means these three main groups are further divided, so these further dividing groups are known as branches. Now, branches of biology. The first branch of biology is morphology. This branch deals with the study of form and structure of living organisms. Students, when you are studying the organisms, its morphology means its outer form, mean as you are looking the animal, how is it made, how is it looking, that means you are studying its structure, so, and its form, that how it's making, so you are studying morphology. Now, molecular biology. The molecular biology deals with the study of molecules of life. Molecules like water, protein, carbohydrates, lipids, and nucleic acids. So when you are studying the molecules of the organisms, it means you are studying molecular biology. Now, anatomy. The study of internal structures is called as anatomy. As we study that, when we are studying externally the form and structure, that means you are studying the morphology of that organism. But when you study the internal structures, that means you are studying anatomy. So the study of internal structure is known as anatomy. Now, histology. The microscopic study of tissues is called histology. Students, when different cells combine together and perform some function, that they making the tissues. So when you are studying the tissue level, the structures, when you are studying the tissue level study, it means the study of tissue is known as histology. Now, cell biology. The study of structures and function of the cell and cell organelles is called as cell biology. Students, when you are studying both the cell structure as well as the functions of the cells and cell organelles mean like the cell organelle mean the inner parts which are present in the cell like the nucleus, like cytoplasm, etc. When you are studying the internal structures and functions of the cell, that means you are studying cell biology, and the study is known as cell biology. This branch also deals with the study of cell division, that how the cell divided. So this is known as cell biology. The next branch of biology is physiology. This branch deals with the study of functions of different parts of living organisms. Students, now we are studying the functions only, not the structure, only the functions of different parts of living organism. And here we are seeing the whole living organisms, not only a part like cell or tissue. Here we are studying the whole living organisms functions. Mean we are studying functions of the whole living organism. Then this study is known as physiology. The next branch of biology is genetics. The study of genes and the role in inheritance is called genetics. Students, here we are saying the two words. The study of genes means that when we are studying the genetic material, that what is gene, what is genetic material, and number second, how this genetic material is inherited, mean how it is transferred from parents to offspring, is known as genetics. Inheritance means the transmission of characteristics from generation to other generation. Means when you see the different organisms, like the human baby is like its parents. Similarly, when you see the goat baby of the goat, she also similar to their parents. So it means they inherited some characteristics from their parents. So this study of inheritance or this genes is known as genetics. Embryology. It's study of the development of an embryo to new individual. Student, when the two cells combine from the two parents, they form a new individual or new baby. So how this individual made, that how this baby developed, this study is known as embryology. Now taxonomy. It is the study of naming and classification of organisms into groups and subgroups. Palaeontology. It is the study of fossils, which are remains of extinct organisms. Students, when the organisms die, sometimes they preserved and become fossils. The study of fossils is known as paleontology. Now environmental biology. It deals with the study of interaction between organisms and their environment. So you know every organism has interaction with their environment. So this is environmental biology. Sociobiology. This branch deals with the study of social behavior of animals that make societies. Parasitology is the study of parasites. Parasites are those organisms which live on another organism for their food, for their protection. Biotechnology. It is deals with the practical application of living organisms to make substances for the welfare of mankind. As we use the bacteria for making different kinds of medicines. Immunology. It is the study of immune system of animals which defend the body against invading microbes. Invading microbes means the outer microorganisms which enter the body are known as invaders. Entomology is the study of insects, like how the insects cause diseases, how they reproduce, how they live. Pharmacology is the study of drugs and their effects on the systems of human body. Students, stay connected and don't forget to subscribe this channel if you want more videos.